Okay, question 14 was as follows. Jessica fits guttering around building. Jessica fits guttering around building. She measures the length, which is L, and width denoted by W for rectangular shades in meters. To work out the total amount T of guttering needed, Jessica uses the formula. To work out the total amount T of guttering needed, Jessica uses the formula T is equal to 2L plus 2W. Okay, so this is the formula that we need to use, and this is the formula we're talking about here. It's the one we are supposed to use. And then the actual question is here. The actual question is here. This is the actual question we need to look at. So let's focus on the question. We have gotten the details, the formula. We have gotten that already. So we focus on the question. The question is, how much guttering will Jessica need for this shed? How much guttering will Jessica need for this shed? Okay, to find the total amount of guttering needed, we are going to use the formula that is given. I said the formula given for us to find the answer is T is equal to, T standing for the total amount, is equal to 2L plus 2W. Okay, so W is for width, L is for length. So 2L. So we know that in our question, first of all, in our statement, this is where L is, which is this makes it length, and width will come to that as we deal with width. Okay, so he's saying T is equal to 2 open bracket 4 meters close bracket plus then 2. What is the width? In the statement we are given this as width, which makes this 2.5 meters to be width. So we are going to say open bracket times 2.5 meters close bracket. Okay, so when we multiply 2 times 4, when we multiply here 2 times 4 meters, we will get 8 meters plus 2 times 2.5 meters, we'll get 5 meters. Then what we're going to say now, we are going to simplify this. We're going to simplify this, which is 8 meters plus 5 meters will give us 13 meters. Will give us 13 meters. So the total amount of guttering Jessica needs is 13 meters. That's the answer. Question 14b, which is Jessica measured another shed, and this is the shed, which is the length has got 6.1 meters and the width is not given. Okay, so when they say diagram not drawn accurately, that means you don't even need to measure these sides. Okay, because the measurements, these sides and measurements written, they are not matching. Okay, so in this question, length is given, width is not given. Then the actual question is the total was 19.9 meters. Work out the width of this shed. To work out the width of this shed, we are going to use the same formula that was given. We are given the formula which is T is equal to 2L plus 2W. Okay, so are we given the total? Yes, we are given the total. So we can say equal to, then the total is here. We are given 19.9 meters. So the total is 19.9 meters is equal to, then are we given the length? The length we are given it's here. So times, so we say 2 open bracket 6.1 meters plus 2W. Okay, then the next point we are going to have is 19.9 meters is equal to, so when we multiply, let us use our calculator. When we multiply 2 times 6.1, okay, it will give us 12.2. So we have 12.2 meters plus, so this 12.2 meters has come from this expression, the one I was calculating on the calculator there. Okay, so now we have this, then plus 2, we have plus 2W. Okay, so now what we do now here is we put like terms together. What we need to do is we need to put like terms together. We need to put like terms together. So we'll come up with 19.9 meters, then this 12.2, this one will cross the equal sign and then become minus. So we're going to have minus 12.2 meters, which is equal to 2W. Okay, so we want to find the length of the width. We want to find the width. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our calculator and calculate. So we say 19.9 minus 12.2 equals, it will give us it's going to give us 7.7. if I'm not mistaken, that's the answer I've gotten. Meters is equal to 2W. Okay, now once we find this, just because of lack of space there, let me write this one here. 7.7 meters is equal to 2W. Okay, so is equal to 2W. So we say, what do? We need to find the value of W alone, this value of this W here alone. Okay, so that means we need to divide the answer we have gotten by 2. Okay, so that means we need to divide both sides by 2 and this side by 2. Okay, when we do that, that means the 2 here and the 2 here will cancel each other out, leaving us with W. Okay, then what we do, we go back to our calculator and then find the value of 7.7 meters divided by 2. So 7.7 divided by 2 will give us 3.85, if I'm not mistaken, meters. Okay, it will give us 3.85 meters, to give us 3.85 meters. So here we can say the width of this shape is The width of this shape is 3.85, and this is the answer you write on the answer space provided in this paper. Okay, so basically that is the answer for that one.